Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about arrays in JavaScript. Okay, how arrays we can able to create in our JavaScript that we can able to see today class. Okay, basically, array is a ordered list of values. Array is an ordered list of values. Okay, and here each value is called it as a means every value we are going to called an element. Okay, is specified by index position. Each element, it is a position in one index position. How the index position will be presented. And here basically if you make this one like this, okay, and we can able to divide like this and so on, like up to here. Okay, and each index position, each value it will be presented right inside this particular one. And here it will take as a one number, one index position. Now 1 and 2 and 3 and n. Okay, and the one index position become a 0 because array index position will start with a 0 and then 1 and 2 and nth position. Like this it will keep on, it will goes. Okay, and here basically this array and here basically an array can hold of mixed values. An array can hold the values of mixed type of values. For example, if you have some array that stores the element with the types of number, string and boolean and also null. Okay, see, if you compare with any other programming languages, when you make for array, it will store for a single data type of value, but not in for JavaScript. JavaScript is become all the type of values it will store. There is no things. Okay, it is a mixed values it will store. And also the size of an array is a dynamic and auto growing. Dynamic and auto growing. Okay, you do not need to specify the array size of that particular array variable. Okay, see, if you see Java, right, the array is index position. If you specify 10 index position, that become a fixed, it will not generate, auto generate. Okay, and also if the values, if you specify integer, then you need to specify integer type of arrays, like that. Okay, but here not like that. How you can able to create array in our JavaScript? Let array equal to a new array. This is the array. Okay, this particular array is an empty, which holds an element. Okay, if you know the number of element that the array will hold, yes, you can able to get the initialization of that particular variable. Okay, how you can able to make it? Let array equal to new array, and then you can able to provide 10. This is array hold for 10. Okay, even you can able to specify n number of variables inside, in n number of numbers inside the array. Okay, simple example will arrays demo.js. Sorry, let array equal to new array and specify the array values 5 comma 4 comma 6 comma 10. Okay, this is the array declaration. Okay, each one we can able to say that particular array having the values. Okay. And if you want to print, you can able to print easily with the position of 0, 0 to 1 and 2 things. Okay. How you can able to get it with console.log and then specify here array, sorry, array, the index position we need to specify, and 0 position I'm specifying the 0 space. Okay. And I'm going to open for new terminal. Okay. And here we can able to use for node space dot slash tab. Okay, enter. See, 5 is the one it is we are able to get. Can I able to create a empty array? Then we can able to create. And one more thing, can I every time do I want to create the same format of array? No. Even we can able to create the different approach. How means, and let array equal to the square braces inside that 5, 6, 7, 8 and brace is close. Okay. Now again you can able to run and see 5 is d. Okay. No need to specify for new array. Okay. Directly if you braces if you mention that is called array. That is called array. You can able to create n number of things. Okay. If you like other persons need to be understand that particular what type of things need to be means that moment you can able to use for new array. The square braces also it will indicate for the same thing. There is no difference. Okay, the same thing it will do, provide. Okay, can I sorry, can I able to add something inside array? Yes, we can able to initiate. How we can able to, we can able to assign some value inside that means array, and I'm going to specify the second position. Okay, now equal to, and I'm going to providing for value that is for 9. That is 9. Okay, I'm saving now. Okay, and again I'm going to print log array with the second position of value. Okay, now again I'm running. See, 9 is the second position of the value inside that. Can I able to get the size of array? Yes, we can able to get the size of array. How we can able to get the size of array? Dot length is the keyword. Length is the keyword. We can able to get the size of thing. Okay, but our size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 is my size. Okay, 4, 0 to 4, right? 4. It is added middle, right? Maybe it is taking that also. Printed. Yeah, 4. Okay, now it is a replaced. Yes, then we can able to do some basic operations also, like if you want to push it is sorry, why it is giving 4, I'll tell you one thing here. When I make here 0, 1, 2, 7, right? 7 position, basically 7 position value is become a 7. Okay, if you go for here before getting, yeah, sorry, just we are replacing, updating. Okay, we are updating, we are not modifying, right? Then if you see 7 and 9, because before updating that become a 7. Okay, if you make the third value third position value become 8th, right? Because see 8th is there because it is updating the value. It is not modify, like it is modifying the position. With the second position there is a 7 is there, just it is modifying. Okay, it is not adding. Okay, just doing update it. Okay, that's why we are getting the size of our array is 4. Okay, now if I want to do something like adding into the array, something I want to add, then I want to get the size to be increased, then how we can able to do it? Now here we need to get the size, right? Now this is the 4 it is presented, previous it is updated. Now I want to add something. Okay, for this array, that push is the method to push the value inside the array. Okay, what I want to push, I want to push for 9, 9 number. Okay, now you can see now the size become 5. See, size become 5. We can able to increase. Can I able to print for all the values in a single row? Yes, we can able to. How means just you can copy this one and paste it here, and and you can now see all the values become printed. Okay, and also if I want to add something element beginning of array, I don't want in the last. See now after adding 9 where it is position, there is a last position. Okay, I don't want to make the last position, I want to make it into first position. Then how we can able to make it? Now here there is a method called unshift. Unshift is the method function. That function says that without any change it will go for beginning of the array. Beginning of the array. See now beginning the value it is presented. Do we can we able to delete something inside our values? Means yes, we can able to delete anything. We can able to delete anything values from that particular array. How we can able to delete? And here there is a method that delete is the element from the end of the array. We can able to delete all the things, but it will delete for end the last position of element. We can't able to specify for index position and all, but we can able to delete the last position of array. Okay, now my last position of array, before last position 8 is the one I have. I want to let last value equal to array dot pop. Pop is the method to delete the last element. Okay, if you mouse over the index also it is present, removing the last element from an array and it return it. If the array is empty undefined it is returned. Okay, and also array is not modified. Okay, and I'm going to use for console dot log, and then I'm going to specify for array 1, because I want to see after deletion where it is there, and also I want to see whether that particular value is deleted or not, last value. Okay, both the things I'm going to check. Okay. Now you can see first 958 is the first one, and after that 8 is deleted, and also 8 after deleting it is returned for that particular one. Okay, if I want to delete something in the starting position of value, then how we can able to use? Means the starting position, now we saw for last position of value, but I want to see for first value or first position of value. Okay. There is a shift method. Okay, shift method, let first value equal to array dot a shift. Okay, if you mouse over this particular description, and you can see removing the first element from the array, it will returns. An array is empty, then undefined it will return. Array is not modified. Okay, now again I'm going to change here the value. Now again running. Now first position 9 is there, 9 got deleted. Okay, if I found something that index position, something I want to find the index position, any number I will provide, that index position I want. I have some array. Inside the array some value is there. I want to find the index position of that particular array. Then how we can able to do it? Delete things. Okay, now I'm going to make some index position of array. Okay, let index of value e equal to array dot index of what index I want for eighth value index position, eighth value index position. Okay, now I'm going to save this index one. Now you can see if I run now, the eighth index position it will return. Eighth index position is fourth. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. 4 is the my index position, that is a position it is provided. Okay, if I provided for 5 index position, I can see 1 0 and 1. Okay, like this. If I want to check whether given which is the one it is presented, whether it is array or not, I want to check the array or not. How we can able to check? There is a method called array, is array or not. Okay, then I'm going to specify array dot is, sorry, we have is array or not. Array dot is array, and then we can able to specify our array. Okay, this particular method it will give for true or false. If it is array, then it will give true. If it is not array, then we can able to get for false. Okay. See, true, I got it. Like this we can able to do for all that kind of array actions. Okay, I hope it this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.